What defines a perfect cable? One cable for all your needs? Meet xCool TheOne cable. Stay neat with magnetic winding. Easy fold and extend. Simply adheres magnetically. And stack tidy easily. More than just tidy. It fast charges any device with up to 240 watts. With 4 connectors, we've got lightning devices, USB-C devices, and both USB-A and USB-C chargers covered. And for streaming, enjoy 4K or 60 Hz HD visuals. Need speed? Transfer a 20 gigabyte file in just 11 seconds. xCool TheOne cable charges all your devices. Features unique magnetic design. Delivers up to 240 watt, supports 20 gigabytes per second data transfer, and 4K 60 Hz HD streaming. And it's even strong enough to pull a car. No more cable mess, just xCool TheOne cable. Enjoy the flexible magnetic wrap for neat storage. Easily carry it around wherever you go. This truly is the only cable you'll ever need. xCool TheOne cable.